welcome to Understanding and Building Business Credit with GetBiz Credit. Here's a comprehensive webinar on understanding and building business credit brought to you by GetBiz Credit. Whether you're a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting your business journey, establishing and managing business credit is crucial to financial stability and growth. First and foremost, let's talk about what business credit is. Business credit is the ability of a business to obtain financial products and services based on its creditworthiness. Criteria distinct from the owner's personal credit and evaluates the financial health of the business itself. To establish business credit, begin by registering your business and obtaining the necessary licenses. Next, apply for a business credit card or a vendor credit account. Building a strong credit history involves making on-time payments and managing debt responsibly. Moreover, having business credit comes with a list of benefits. One of these benefits is you'll get access to better financing options. Businesses with strong credit can more easily secure loans, lines of credit, and favorable terms. There's also a separation of your personal and business finances. Business credit protects personal assets by legally separating personal credit from business credit. You will get to enhance your business reputation and credibility. A good business credit score can improve relationships with suppliers, investors, and lenders. Now let's talk about the difference between business credit and personal credit. Business credit scores are separate from personal credit scores. Using personal credit for business expenses can negatively impact personal credit, whereas business credit reduces personal liability. Business credit ensures legal protection and financial stability for the business. In setting up the foundation for your business, you have to choose a legal entity. Common legal entities include LLCs, corporations, partnerships, and sole proprietorships. Different entities offer varying levels of protection and credit building opportunities. Corporations and LLCs often have more credibility with lenders. It is also important to obtain an EI. An employer identification number in Zashun is a unique identifier for a business, similar to a social security number for individuals. You can apply online through the IRS website. The process is simple and free. Here are some important details you should know in registering your business. With Dun Bradstreet, a DUNS number is a unique identifier required for establishing business credit. To register, visit the Dun Bradstreet website and provide the necessary business information to obtain your DUNS number. Lastly, in building your credit profile, here are the essential information required. Include your business name, address, EIN, and DUNS number along with bank account details and financial statements. To establish your credit profiles, here are the initial steps to follow. You'll need to open a business bank account, then apply for a business credit card. Lastly, register with business credit bureaus. Now, let's dive into creating your business credit profile. When applying for a business credit card, it's essential to know what type of business credit card you are applying for, including its benefits. Business credit cards help build credit history, provide access to funds, and offer rewards. Types include secured, unsecured, and charge cards. So the process of application should start with doing your research and comparing different credit cards. Then proceed to gather the necessary documents. Lastly, apply online or at a bank. Let's move on to the process of applying for a vendor credit account. Vendor credit helps establish a credit history without upfront payment, builds relationships with suppliers, and improves cash flow. To apply, you have to identify vendors that report to credit bureaus, complete credit applications, and provide necessary business information and references. Now, let's turn our attention to how you can monitor your business credit score. Use credit monitoring services like NAV, Credit Signal, and Experian Business, and regularly access your business credit reports from major credit bureaus. You will also need to check your business credit score at least once a month and set up alerts for any changes. Let's not forget, disputing inaccuracies on your credit report. You'll need to review your credit reports for errors and fraudulent activity. First, you should contact the credit bureau with details of the inaccuracy. Next is provide supporting documentation, and then follow up to ensure the error is corrected promptly. As we continue, it is also important to protect your business identity. Identity protection prevents fraudulent activities that can damage your credit score and protect your business from financial loss and legal issues. It is best to use secure passwords, monitor accounts for unusual activity, and educate employees about safeguarding sensitive information. In establishing trade credit, finding vendors that offer trade credit is essential. Look for vendors who report to business credit bureaus and research industry-specific vendors with favorable credit terms. Consider the reputation reliability and flexibility of the vendor's credit terms. It's also essential to understand the process of applying for net terms of vendors. Net terms specify the period within which payment must be made. For example, net 30 means payment is due 30 days after the invoice date. The application process starts with providing your business information and credit references and demonstrating your ability to make timely payments. We continue. Here's how you can build a strong payment history. One of the strategies for maintaining good standing is paying invoices before the due date and communicating proactively with vendors if there are payment issues. The strong payment history improves your business credit score, strengthens relationships with suppliers, and increases the likelihood of receiving favorable credit terms. You should also consider expanding trade credit to increase credit limits with current vendors, show consistent on-time payments and a strong credit history, and provide updated financial statements and business growth metrics. Higher limits provide access to more significant capital for business operations and enhance your business credit profile. Another important factor is adding new vendors to your credit portfolio. Diversification reduces reliance on a single vendor and provides more flexibility and options for business financing. Select vendors who report to credit bureaus and offer favorable credit terms and a reliable service. Also worth noting is maintaining a strong payment history with all vendors. Ensure all payments are made on time across all vendors and use automated payment systems to avoid late payments. Consistent on-time payments positively affect your business credit score and establish your business as a trustworthy partner. When preparing for a business loan, you have to understand your business financials. The income statement shows revenue, expenses, and profits. The balance sheet details assets, liabilities, and equity. The cash flow statement tracks cash inflows and outflows. Evaluate profitability, liquidity, and solvency, and use financial ratios to assess business performance. Next, here are the tips to improve your credit profile and score. Some strategies you can use for improvement are paying bills on time, reducing outstanding debts, and regularly reviewing credit reports to correct inaccuracies. Strong credit profile leads to better loan terms and interest rates, and increased credibility with lenders and suppliers. Let's not forget to find the right lender for your business. You have to know the types of lenders. Options include traditional banks, credit unions, online lenders, and SBA loans. In choosing a lender, consider loan terms, interest rates, lender reputation, and your specific business needs. Turning now to the process of applying for a business loan. In preparing your loan application, prepare a business plan, financial statements, tax returns, and credit reports. Key components of a loan application you should not forget is to include an executive summary, the loan amount requested, intended use of funds, and a repayment plan. Let's take a closer look at understanding the loan application process. The process includes application submission, underwriting, credit review, and loan approval. You should understand the typical processing times and what to expect at each stage. Let's move on to securing funding for your business. Successful funding includes maintaining a strong credit profile, preparing thorough documentation, and building relationships with lenders. Some post-funding steps are implementing funds as planned, monitoring financial performance, and maintaining communication with lenders. Moving on to establishing strong financial habits. Financial discipline ensures long-term business sustainability and growth. Not only that, financial management is one of the keys. Regularly review financial statements, maintain accurate records, and plan for future expenses. Another important factor is managing your cash flow. Cash flow consists of operating, investing, and financing activities. Remember that this can have a remarkable impact on business operations. Managing cash flow ensures liquidity and the ability to meet obligations. Another crucial aspect is creating a budget and sticking to it. Note that the budgeting basics are forecasting revenues and expenses and setting financial goals. Monitor the budget regularly, adjust as needed, and control costs. Continuing with managing accounts receivable and payable. Here are the best practices for R-half management. Implementing efficient invoicing and payment collection processes, and negotiating favorable payment terms with suppliers. Effective management improves cash availability and financial stability. Next up is managing debt. You have to understand what debt-to-income ratios are. The importance of DTI is it measures a business's ability to manage debt effectively. In calculating and analyzing this, divide total monthly debt payments by gross monthly income. A related point is creating a debt repayment plan. To develop a plan, you need to list all debts, prioritize payments, and allocate funds accordingly. Some strategies for effective repayment are consolidating debts, negotiating with creditors, and making extra payments when possible. It's important to highlight how you will be able to avoid debt traps. Some common pitfalls that you should note are overborrowing, missing payments, and taking on high-interest loans. To stay debt-free, you should maintain a budget, save for emergencies, and use credit wisely. Building on this, it is essential to know why it's important to scale your business. Start focusing on market expansion, product development, and forming strategic partnerships. Some financial considerations for scaling are assessing funding needs, managing cash flow diligently, and monitoring profitability. Let's delve deeper into growing your business. You will identify growth opportunities by researching market trends, understanding customer needs, and analyzing the competition. Some opportunities for expansion are exploring new markets. On that note, creating a growth plan is the next thing you should do. Start establishing clear objectives, outline actionable steps, and set realistic timelines. Do not forget to create the steps to implementation, which are allocate resources, execute strategies effectively, and monitor progress regularly. To elaborate on that point, you have to secure funding for growth initiatives, explore options such as equity financing, debt financing, and grants. The application process starts with preparing detailed proposals, meeting lender criteria, and presenting a solid business case. Let's now consider maintaining strong business credit. The tools and strategies you can apply for ongoing management are regularly checking credit reports and utilizing credit monitoring services. The importance of continuous improvement is that it ensures your business credit remains strong and reliable. Moreover, GetBiz Credit's intuitive dashboard makes managing and building your business credit effortless. Track progress, access tools, and receive expert guidance. Expanding on that point is staying up to date with credit laws and regulations. Familiarize yourself with the Fair Credit Reporting Act and the Equal Credit Opportunity Act. Note that you should keep up with industry publications, consult legal advisors, and stay connected with credit bureaus. Moving forward, establishing long-term financial stability for your business is important. To achieve good financial health, note that maintaining adequate cash reserves, investing in growth opportunities, and managing debts wisely are the best practices to do. The importance of strategic planning is that it ensures sustainable growth and prepares your business for future challenges. As we wrap up, I want to share how you can continue your business credit building journey with our comprehensive system. It all starts with GetBiz Credit, the ultimate guide to building business credit, written by Max Fortune, where you'll find everything you need to establish a solid credit foundation and unlock funding opportunities. Next, on membership courses, from basic to VIP, view step-by-step guidance tailored to your need, ensuring you're equipped with the right strategies for success. You also have access to our intuitive GetBiz Credit dashboard, which allows you to track your progress, access powerful tools, and receive personalized expert support in real time. Here's the exciting part. Our mobile app is coming soon, putting everything at your fingertips, making it even easier to build and manage your business credit on the go. Take action today, invest in your business's future, and let us guide you every step of the way. Thank you for participating in the GetBiz Credit webinar on business credit. We hope the information provided was valuable and insightful for building and understanding business credit. Attendees are welcome to ask questions during the live QA session. GetBiz Credit experts are available to assist with any queries. For further assistance or inquiries, you can email us at info@getbiz.credit. For further assistance or inquiries, you can email us at info@getbizcredit. We look forward to helping you achieve your business credit goals. Thank you for joining us.